Have you ever wondered why we're so captivated by stories? It's like we're drawn to them, almost as if they're a beacon in the darkness, guiding us through the complexities of life. Let's delve into this enchanting world, exploring both the psychological and neuroscientific underpinnings that make stories so irresistible. From a psychological standpoint, our attraction to narratives is multifaceted. Firstly, there's the power of empathy and identification. When we dive into a story, we're not just observers. We become part of the narrative, living vicariously through the characters. This connection not only bridges social gaps, but also enriches our understanding of diverse perspectives. It's like stepping into someone else's shoes, feeling what they feel, and seeing the world through their eyes. Moreover, stories are our teachers in disguise. They're the vessels through which cultural values, social norms, and essential survival tips are passed down. Each story is a lesson, a chance to learn something new or hone our problem-solving skills without facing the actual risks. It's an adventure where the knowledge gained is the treasure. Emotionally, stories are our sanctuary. They offer a space for emotional expression and processing, allowing us to mirror our own feelings within their narratives. This emotional journey can be incredibly therapeutic, providing a sense of catharsis that helps in relieving stress and anxiety. At the heart of our fascination with stories is our quest for meaning. It's an innate desire to understand the world and our place in it. Stories help us make sense of life's chaos, offering insights and interpretations that illuminate our path. Turning to the neuroscientific realm, our brains are hardwired to connect with stories. The mirror neuron system, for instance, plays a pivotal role. When we witness the actions and emotions of characters, these neurons fire up, enabling us to empathize and even mimic the behaviors we see, creating a deep emotional bond with the narrative. Emotional processing is another crucial aspect, involving the amygdala and the frontal lobes. The amygdala helps us recognize and generate emotions, particularly fear, while the frontal lobes assist in regulating these emotions and navigating complex social scenarios. This intricate dance between brain regions ensures that stories aren't just heard or seen. They're felt, making the experience immersive and engaging. Lastly, our capacity for memory and learning is significantly enhanced through storytelling. By weaving information into compelling narratives, stories activate the hippocampus, facilitating the transfer of knowledge into long-term memory. It's as if stories are the keys that unlock the doors to our minds, leaving lasting impressions that shape our understanding and perspectives. In essence, our attraction to stories is woven into the very fabric of our being. Whether it's the psychological resonance or the neuroscientific connections, stories are more than just tales. They are a fundamental part of what it means to be human, offering a mirror to our souls and a window to the world.